Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the I50 error code on your Electrolux dishwasher from 2025, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error typically signals an issue with the water inlet or flow, which can often be fixed with a few simple steps right at home. By the end of this video, you'll have your dishwasher running like new again. Let's dive in. First off, safety is our top priority. Always unplug your dishwasher from the power outlet before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's check the basics. Start by examining the water supply line. Make sure the tap connected to your dishwasher is fully open and that there's no kink or blockage in the hose. If it's restricted, that could be the culprit. Next, inspect the inlet filter. You'll find it at the bottom of your dishwasher, usually behind a removable panel. Take it out, rinse it under running water to clear any debris or buildup, and then secure it back in place. This simple clean can resolve many flow-related errors. If the error persists, try resetting your dishwasher. Press and hold the start button for about 10 seconds, or consult your user manual for the exact reset procedure. This often clears temporary glitches. Now, if you're still seeing the I50 code, you might need to look at the inlet valve. This involves checking for any obstructions or faults, but if you're not comfortable with this step, it's best to call a professional technician. Remember, messing with internal parts without expertise could void your warranty. Once you've completed these steps, plug your dishwasher back in and run a short test cycle. If everything checks out, you're good to go. If the error keeps popping up, it might indicate a more serious issue like a faulty sensor or pump, so don't hesitate to seek help. There you have it. Quick and easy fixes for the I50 error on your Electrolux dishwasher. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.